Hello loves, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. Thanks for subscribing. And if today is your first time of coming across my channel, you're highly welcome. Please do so good to click on that red subscribe button below this video to subscribe to my channel for more amazing videos. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell. This will enable you to get notified whenever I upload a new video. In today's video, I'm super excited to share with you on how to make oilless okra soup. Guys, you're going to love this recipe. If you want to know how I came up with this, continue watching as I share with you guys. So here I have okra, so well washed. So make sure you wash your okra. This is beef, like cow meat. This is pomo, smoked fish, grounded crayfish. This is Shombo, fresh pepper. And here I have onions, seasoning cube, and salt. So the first thing I'll be doing is I'll be grating the okra. So we want this okra to draw very well. So if you want your okra to draw, all right, you'll be grating it this way. And I'm using the other part of the grater, the bigger part of the grater. So if you want your okra to like draw, that means you'll be grating it. So after grating it, this is how it will look like. What you guys are seeing it. So I've washed the meat and it's in the pot, and I've added seasoning cube and onions, then salt. So I'll be adding little water and I'll be cooking for like 5 to 7 minutes. So here is it after 7 minutes. I'll be adding more water enough to cook the soup, and I'm adding chopped onions, crayfish, pomo, and blended fresh pepper I showed you guys earlier. So I'll be stirring together. And I'll cover to cook for 15 minutes. So after 15 minutes, I'll be adding the smoked fish, washed. I'm adding seasoning cube, then salt. And I'll cover to cook for 10 minutes. So after 10 minutes, I'll be adding the grated okra. Guys, this soup is easy to prepare. Like, it's a sharp kind of soup, and it's healthy, very healthy soup. So this is oilless okra soup, meaning no oil, like red oil was added. So for the color you're seeing is the shombo, like the fresh cayenne pepper. It gives, this kind of reddish color to meals. Alright guys, this is a sharp soup, so we'll be leaving to boil. Once it boils, it's okay. So guys, this soup draws like, so if you want your okra soup to draw, you'll be grating your okra like it will be tiny. If you guys are seeing it, it's like drawing very well, and I like how light it is. So our soup is almost done. Guys, our soup is done. What would you love to enjoy this soup with? What swallow? Let me know in the comment section. Is it fufu? Is it gari? Amala? What kind of swallow would you love to enjoy this soup with? Hope you loved and enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and as well subscribe. See you in my next one. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.